We'll guide you through how to delete a CapCut account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the CapCut website by typing capcut.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, look for your profile icon or your account name, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings or something similar, which will take you to your account management page. Next, scroll down until you find the option that says Delete Account or Close Account. It's important to note that this option might be placed under a section like Privacy or Account Security. Once you find it, click on it, and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. CapCut might ask you to verify your identity, so be prepared to enter your password or any other requested information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deletion process. Remember, once you delete your account, all your saved projects and data will be permanently lost, so make sure to download anything you want to keep beforehand. This process is irreversible, so double-check your decision before proceeding. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.